So welcome back to my channel IBM My Classes. In this video session, I'll discuss one SQL DB2 trick, um, which is actually uh, can how can we repeat some data in our table field at in a number of specified times. So also we can say that if we want to fill the full um, length of a field at once, so how can we achieve that? So let's see. So I'm creating a table, create table 1 and to temp library. FLD1 is a field of type char and I'm taking the length as 5000 here. So I'm taking the larger length because I need to fill the full length, or I need to repeat some data at particular number of times. So select star from table 1. So currently it is picking from my current library IBM my class 1. So I'm qualifying this table qtem dot table 1. So this is the field 1. Now I'm insert into qtemp dot table 1, take F4, press enter, field 1. So I'm not giving any value here, so I'm using repeat function here. Repeat. So this repeat function will accept two arguments. First is the string. So the string would be like I'm putting A B C D E. So I want to just repeat this 5 times. So second argument is the number of times you want to repeat this character string. You can say first argument. So it will return the string which is composed of this first argument with the number of times provided in the second argument. Sure. So ABBDE, pressing enter. So record has been inserted. Now just check what is the record. ABBD, 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 ABBD. So we can see that we have inserted ABBD with a repeated number of with a 5 times repeated. Sure. Now, for example, I just want to fill the whole field with some any data. Suppose A. I just want to perform this for my testing purpose, that I have a field of length 5000 and I have full length of data. So if I want to insert that 5000 length, I need to write a RPG program. So I'm not doing that. I'm using this function, repeat function. So I'm repeating A with 5000 times. So if I'm looking into this, the second row is this one, plus 5000. So I can see that, shift F7, so I can see that the whole column is filled with A. So I have just used the repeated function, so I can use this function as per my need. So I can either repeat a particular string with a number of specified times, or I can fill all my data for my testing in some particular field. So that's in this video. So I think this would be a very useful trick for all of us, and that's all in this my video. So thank you and have a nice time.